The first law of motion states that all objects in motion will remain in motion and all objects will remain at rest unless an outside force is acted upon it. This is normally referred to as the law of inertia. We demonstrated this by pulling out a paper stuck between two water bottles. We pulled the paper quickly, but the bottle didn't fall because they have inertia and they wanted to stay at rest. Also, because the paper was pulled out so quickly that the bottles didn't fall down. Second law of motion demonstrates how force is produced. This formula for this is force equals mass times acceleration. This means the greater the mass, the more force is needed to accelerate the object. In this case, we'll be pushing objects of different masses with a hairdryer and we'll observe how acceleration is affected. Newton's third law of motion states that for every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This means that in every interaction there are always two forces at play on the body. In our experiment, we used a tennis ball to demonstrate this. As the tennis ball hits the floor, it creates a downward force on the floor. This is the action. The floor reacts by pushing the ball up the same course, but in the opposite direction. In real life, if you push someone, which is the action, you'll be pushed back with the same force that is used to push the person, which is the reaction.